next here we have the Seashells Phu Quoc. I think this must be a 5-star hotel. Okay, I've had to go on the street and come back down to the beach here. So here we have a, must be a hotel accommodation. There's some swim. Wow, imagine that for your room. Some tourists here. A group of tourists here. So many of these unique lounging areas with the... Wow. There's the prices. Option here. It's okay food, I'm not going to... Good midday from the island paradise of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So it's around about 12 midday. I'm currently sat outside my hotel accommodation, between houses in the Duong Dong area. I think that's how you pronounce it. The Duong Dong area here in Phu Quoc, which is sort of like the main city area. It's where the majority of all the accommodation options, restaurants, shops are all located in this area. There's other areas, various areas around the actual island of Phu Quoc. The other areas sort of like the more modern type built areas and sort of like modern built cities. However, many of those places do actually appear to be like ghost towns when you visit there, other than some of the theme parks and things that are going on there, like Vin Wonders. There is a like main city area there with accommodation, hotels and shops and things. However, the majority of it up above the shops on the ground does actually seem to be empty, and it's like walking around a ghost town. So Duong Dong is the main area here in on the island of Phu Quoc, or currently the main area where the majority of the tourists stay. All of the hotel accommodation, restaurants, shops, all located in this area. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a stroll along what is probably the most popular beach on the island of Phu Quoc, which is a beach called Long Beach. Now, as the name suggests, it is a very, very long beach. So I'm going to only feature a section of it in today's video. The starting point is going to be at the Seashells Resort, which is sort of like the very sort of like end where it meets the harbour, or where all the fishing boats are. Very, very nice area actually. There's a temple there as well, the Seashells Resort itself. And I'm going to stroll along the beach. Now, the beach is broke up a little bit. The beginning bit where I'm going to be starting is going to be a beach section, then there's going to be some ocean that comes right into the walls, so I'm going to have to head out onto the city and come back in onto the beach, and then it's going to be a straight walk all the way along the beach. Just giving you some idea what you can expect from the Long Beach location here in Phu Quoc. So as I'm walking along the beach, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options. There's usually restaurants as well on the beach. I think there's going to be quite a few people, tourists as well, because a lot stay in this area. So I'm just going to give you a general idea what you can expect from the Long Beach location here in Phu Quoc. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a stroll along Long Beach here in Phu Quoc. Okay, so this is the start point for today's video. So this looks like some kind of harbour or something over here. So whether they're fishing boats or tourist boats. Have some kind of temple or something just down at the end here. Vietnamese ladies selling ice cream. Hello, how are you? Selling the ice cream cones there. There's the local taxis there. The temple here. Din Si Cow Phu Quoc temple. The promenade walking out there as well. And this is where we're going to head in today's video on Long Beach. So this is the furthest point now of Long Beach. There's the rock temple there. Real steps down. You can see it's a nice emerald green coloured water. Rocks in the ocean there. Not sure what this is, looks a little bit abandoned here. Okay, so there's our little temple area in the distance. These buildings look abandoned here. There's some kind of nice looking restaurant here. There is tourists in the top there, I see. Looks as though we can walk along the path. However, I'm going to stay along the beach so we can see everything. rocks and people snorkeling out there. This looks like some kind of little cheap restaurant up here, like the Warungs in Bali. Beautiful rocks here. Wow. So next here we have the Seashells Phu Quoc. I think this must be a 5-star hotel. It's a fabulous looking place. People in the ocean here. Look at that for a hotel. Wow. So there's Seychelles. We have jet skis, banana boats. So there's water sports and things here. A few people in the ocean actually. A lot on the beach as well. Every sun lounger taken there at the Seychelles. It's like a popular place. I'm surprised it's a nice looking hotel. I'm on a long travel. I'd normally stay in places like that, but I'm on a 2-month travel, so I have to be a little bit more careful with expenditure. Wow. It must be a high tide now at the moment. Limited beach section to walk across here. We're at the end and the finish of the Seychelles now. Just have a nice deep beach section here. Another funky looking place there. Can't see a name on that one. Just 2 tourists there. I'm just going to head in this direction. So look back where we've come from. Beautiful ocean. Continue in this direction. So there's a look back at the Seychelles. I've reached this point now. This is as far as you can go walking on the beach, maybe due to high tide. I'm just going to cut across the water. Okay, so this is a Seychelles hotel in the distance. There's a little bit of water there. Get to this next one. Not sure if this is hotel or what this is here now. And then you've just got a small beach section here again. And then you're actually blocked by ocean again here. So there's not beach all the way along here. So I'm going to have to sort of like cut and start again on that side. Okay, I've had to go on the street and come back down to the beach here. So here we have a, must be a hotel accommodation. There's some swimming pool here as well. Gotta go down onto this section here. The angel wings for your photo taking there. Oh, and then it looks as though we're coming to full beach now. So the hotel is up there. We've got to walk along here now and get back on the beach. So many of the areas still undeveloped. Slam with the trees. Oh, looks as though we have another accommodation or something here. Some tourists and some rooms and things. Very difficult walking on the beach here. It's so soft, the sand. Nice looking accommodation there in the back. Wow, imagine that for your room. Some tourists here. View straight out onto the ocean. Nice looking place. That has a restaurant as well. Group of tourists here. I think that's coming to the end of that section there. There's a last look back. A beautiful looking accommodation, that beautiful ocean area. I'm going to carry on in this direction. It's really strange, we have accommodation after accommodation, but we don't have any names on the beach area. Few tourists again here at this location. Very nice, unique seating areas. Oh, look at those for seating. Nice. Many these unique lounging areas with the thatched roof. There's a bit of a slope on the beach here leading down to the ocean. Very nice. Let's have a look at all the rooms in the back here. Beautiful seating areas here. Oh, very nice. Okay, just leaving this area. I think this is Aloha, which I've already featured in a video. The massage spa here. Massage on the beach. There's the prices. This is Aloha. I've already featured this. It's not busy at the moment, but normally at the night time it's busy here. There's quite a few tourists out in the ocean here. It's okay food. I'm not going to say it's amazing, but it's okay. Reasonably priced as well for the beach. Have live music as well, acoustic music of the night. But look at this. Busy on the beach here again in this section. That's out in the ocean. Wow. Yeah, very, very busy. Interesting. The war doesn't appear to be affecting Phu Quoc. Wow. Very, very nice. What a beautiful area. Just give you a look back at that. Nice big beach area there. Very nice. Continuing on here as well. Still have tourists here as well in abundance. Just a look back again there. A few people out in the ocean as well. And we're heading here. Parasailing here. We have another accommodation here again in the back. Lots of tourists at all of the places. Wow. Nice big beach areas. Sun lounges, umbrellas. What more could you want? Okay, so there's a look back. A little bit of a waste area here. And we'll continue walking along the beach. Another area here again. Massage on the beach. Lots of tourists again here. It's like an accommodation again. Wow. Tourists are everywhere. Windy bar, it says in the back there. So every place is appears to be quite busy. Old, young. Massage on the beach, Tina. Some prices. Wow. So it is quite difficult walking here because the sand is so fine here, and then you have a little bit of a slope down into the beach here as well. It's better for me doing the videos to walking on the hard sand right near the ocean, so we can't get as quite up close and personal with all the areas. Another area here again. Plenty of tourists. I wish I had the drone so I could show you from above. It'd be far superior. But nice, beautiful beach areas. Very calm waters. Wow. Okay, down at the next section now. I've actually featured this in a video. This area already was close to the cosy bungalow, the first accommodation I was staying. It looks a little bit abandoned, the buildings in the back. Maybe it was once a hotel. Well, again, you still have tourists here. All along the back of the beach there. Lots of people having a massage on the beach here. Again, looks as though we have accommodation at the back of the beach here. Palm trees, but lots of tourists. Lots of tourists all around. Okay, up into another area now here. This is called a Sea Star Restaurant and Bar. Nice looking place. Seating there. Wow. Massage as well here. There's little promenades. There's the massage prices again here. We have Sunset Beach Bar here. Well, looks very nice as well. People in the ocean. Just people sitting, relaxing and enjoying this wonderful place. So this is called Sunset Beach, maybe the Sunset Beach Resort and Spa. Very nice. Wow. So you can see we have lots and lots of beautiful areas here on the beach. Again, a bit of a slope down here, must be some erosion. Lots of massage again here. I think this is where we're going to, I'll just walk to that point and then we're going to end the video today. We've got a good idea now of what Long Beach is like. Accommodations, beach restaurant. This is called Tropicana Resort, this one. Lots of tourists again here. Just really so beautiful. And you can see why they call it Long Beach, because it just goes on and on and on forever. We'll just go to this next place, take this in, and then I think I'm going to finish today's video. Casa Cottage, this one is called. Just show you the name. Casa Cottage. And there we go, that's Long Beach here in Phu Quoc.